What's up? Trying to figure out how this day can get even more upsetting and disturbing. Okay? Right now, first of all, I don't understand up days. It doesn't even compute to my fucking brain anymore. I gotta have the market going down so that I can find spots where I can get in long. Generally on those down days are the only days I'm making money, and it's not on shorts. It's playing those capitulation sells. You get your nice print and the market spikes up for 10 minutes, you can make money. When the market's up like this, all I'm thinking about is going short, but nothing's going on. We just sit here and do nothing. Shorts pull back for 2 seconds, and then you're back, and you feel like you just got your ass rammed into oblivion. Then you can't go long because every goddamn print that you get, you're thinking, oh, I just topped the market. 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 Oh, let me just go churn my account just a little bit more. It's amazing how I came in this day, long FAS, long DDM, options of course, took some money off the table, and I haven't done shit right. I'm 24 for 25 right now on bad trades. And the best thing is, oh yeah, the best thing is, what was I telling you about the gun stocks? The Smith & Wesson, I was out of that already. But the Ruger. The Ruger had moved up, and it's up over like 200%. So I'm thinking, all right, this thing's got to go back and test something on the 10 ducks. Look at the chart. So I'm shorting it every day, 1020, 1030, 1040, losing a dime here and that. So finally I said, you know what, yesterday I'm not covering it. I'm not covering it. I was short again at 1040. I'm not covering it. Next thing you know, at 1050, at 1060, I'm going to lose my money again. I'm not covering it. Fuck this shit. I'm going to wait it out. 11's going to be my out. I'll take another $600 loss on it, whatever. So finally, hey, look at this. It starts to come in. Then I'm sitting there. It's the most boring, awful, disgusting stock I've ever seen. The whole market's rallying, but I'm sitting there with the RGR. So then I saw, you know what? Got back down to 1040. I threw my bid out there. I got done. What did I say to you in the chat room? Get short right here at 1040. You do for at least this thing to go to 10 bucks. Next thing you know, it's at 980. So I mean, you know, and I appreciate people coming in the room trying to give me advice and trying to tell me what to do. But it's days like this where you got to use me. You got to use me. And I got to tell you what to do, because me, no matter what I do on days like this, it's going to be wrong. Because I'll think about shorting the market, and then we'll start going up, and then I'll cover, and then we start going down, and I'll get short then again, and then it'll start going back up, and I'll try to cover, and just, it's a relentless, ongoing death spiral, revolving door of fucking chaos. That's what it is. It is. It's a revolving door that goes nowhere. It's just amazing. And why do I keep doing it? It's like days like this where it convinces me that now I gotta take off 3 weeks. I gotta take off 3 fucking weeks now. A day like this, I refuse to trade now, because you know tomorrow's gonna be up. I'm gonna still be pissed off from today. Thursday I'm gonna be with the kids. Friday's gonna be another day. We got all this bullshit, not job numbers. But you know what? And through all this frustration right now, you gotta think the market's going up, because I give the fuck up. You gotta think the market's going up right now, because there's no goddamn way I'm buying shit. I'm not taking any overnights, because that's the only way to make money nowadays. You gotta gamble what the market's gonna do on the overnights. It's the only way to make money. Because once the markets open up, you're a fucking psycho if you start trading between 9:30 and 9:40. I mean, granted, you can make some good money in there You can make some good money there at the open, but it's a guessing game. You know, look at what Met did in the first 2 minutes of the day. It's up and down a point. You don't know what you're doing. But once that noise is over, then you can play what you want to do. But right now, there's no way. No way. If anything, I mean, and the stupidest thing is I'm thinking about selling puts on some stocks that I missed out on, like the Joy Global. Looks like that stock's not going any lower than that 15 level. Looks like Met maybe found a bottom there in the 11s and the 12s. But again, I'm not going to sell puts on that, because that could just open up down at 0 one day. And the HIG, what can I tell you about the HIG? We missed the boat on that one. Obviously, I've saved GE. If you haven't appreciated the powers that I possess right now about how I can save companies, I was telling people to get in at 6. And the stupid thing is, instead of holding on to a stock that was $6, I decided to buy $10 calls. I bought some leaps for $1.15, $1.20 that I sold today at $1.85, I think it was. So what did I gain? I gained nothing. The stock went from 6 to basically 9, and I made 65 cents. Stupid. Stupid. If I was going to go out and take that risk, I should have bought 100 calls or nothing. 100 calls or nothing. So So now what do I got? Now I got nothing. Now I'm just sitting here waiting for a pullback. And you know what? I know myself. When the pullback comes, I won't be looking to buy. I'll be looking to short. And I'll still be on the wrong side. So what do I got to do is I got to walk away. I got to walk away from all this fucking nonsense. 3 weeks I was having a good time just playing these overnights. Once I decided, oh, let me start trading again more actively today, I traded 250,000 shares of nothing. 250,000 shares of absolute garbage. Oh, let me get in. No, let me get out. Let me get in. Let me get out. Lose 3 cents. You know what? And every time I got in or out of a trade, you know what it was? Because I didn't want to lose big on the trade. So basically, all these 3 cent, 7 cent, 10 cent losses, when they add up, you know, that shit adds up too. So in theory, I took a big loss anyway, trying to avoid a big loss. I should just open my fucking veins right now and just bleed to death right now in front of you. That's what I should do. You want to see weapons? How about a fucking mace gorged in, just nailed into my skull right now? And if you see me outside, I should just give out my address right now. Maybe somebody just go by, just drive by, kill me, shoot me. You see me outside, Sam Kinsley. You see me outside watering the lawn? Kill me. Kill me. Hit me with your car. Shoot me with a rifle. Whatever you gotta do. Just kill me. Put me out of my misery. The fucking joke. Absolute joke. But what am I supposed to do? I gotta be here, right? Gotta be here. Gotta make sure that I don't miss anything. Here's what I suggest you do. Here's what I suggest you do. Buy the fuck out of everything. Buy it all. I don't give a shit what it is. Buy it. Buy it. Get your tarp. Mix it with a little bit of snaz crack. Get your nice cook that shit up. Fucking burn that shit and just go to sleep for 3 days. Get into a fucking tarp crack coma right now and just chill the fuck out because all we're gonna do is gonna go up. That's it. We're done going down. That's it. You want to call a bottom? Where's the bottom? Where's the bottom? We're making a rap song called Where's the Bottom. So if you want to be involved, just get a few clips together of yourself saying Where's the Bottom? Because how many times did we hear Where's the Bottom over the last 2 weeks? Where's the bottom? Where's the bottom? Here's the fucking bottom. Nothing works anymore, okay? All those scenarios, everyone's looking for that last capitulation. You think it's going to be that easy? Oh, there it is. There's the capitulation that we needed. Let's start buying stocks right now. Nothing is as it was in the past. So all the adages and all those sayings and all that stuff that we know, nothing is as it is. We just had a stealth bottom. It was called GE. GE going under $6. GE, people thinking that GE was going out of business. That, my friend, might have been your capitulation right there, handed to you. And of course, your boy selling out of it. Your boy getting in it and selling out of it. Not thinking long term. Hey, this stock is a $20 stock 10 years from now. Maybe I should hang on to some at 6. No. Let me buy options on it instead and just take my quick money and move on. This is it. The frustration factor is there right now. So you gotta be going fucking long. Fucking going long. You gotta be buying everything indiscriminately. I don't give a shit. Where we're gonna go. So let's assume we're in the 5,000 camp. I didn't even make the point I was trying to make before. Assuming you're in that America's over, going to 5,000 on the Dow camp. So what are we talking about? We're talking about 1,800 more points, whatever stock you own. So if you're suggesting that so it's gonna happen, but then we're gonna come back and start rallying, you might as well start buying stocks right now, right? You only got 20, let's say we got 10% was another 680 points. So about 20% more down. 20% will take us down to 5,000, I guess. 10%, 700, 1,400 more points, not even. So let's say we're going down 20. If you could handle 20% more down on your stocks, buy some shit. Buy some shit. But you know what? I'm not suggesting that the market's never going to go down ever again and we're not going to go to 5,000. But you know what? Frustration factor, man, tells the truth. Never fails. Never fails, the frustration factor. And it could be just for today. I don't know. For my money, I hope we just roll over and fucking die.